Introducing Power Email Platform, an AI-powered communication and email automation system designed for modern businesses, sales teams, agencies, and enterprise operations. Power Email combines campaign management, intelligent automation, analytics, deliverability monitoring, and AI-assisted workflows into one centralized platform. The platform starts with a clean and organized inbox dashboard. Users can manage conversations through categorized tabs, including primary, promotions, and updates, while maintaining a familiar and professional email experience. The Compose functionality allows teams to create and manage communication directly from the platform. The Sent Email section provides complete visibility into outgoing communication. Users can track every delivered email, review recipient details, monitor subject lines, and verify successful delivery in real time. This helps organizations maintain transparency across all outbound communication activities. The campaigns dashboard gives users a centralized overview of all active and completed campaigns. Teams can monitor recipient lists, campaign progress, open rates, click rates, and overall campaign performance from a single interface. The platform also includes an integrated AI campaign generator for faster content creation and workflow management. Power Email supports intelligent automated email sequences. Users can track live sequence progress, monitor pending email queues, and view delivery activity through real-time logs. This automation system enables scalable follow-up workflows without manual intervention. The Template Studio allows businesses to create reusable professional email templates. Users can design custom layouts, build modular content blocks, and utilize AI-assisted editing tools to accelerate email production. This helps teams maintain consistency across communication campaigns. The Audience and Contacts module serves as the platform's centralized contact management system. Organizations can manage subscriber information, company data, import sources, and email health verification. This ensures higher quality contact lists and improves campaign reliability. The File Management section simplifies contact imports through CSV and Excel uploads. The system automatically validates email quality and supports MX record verification for improved deliverability accuracy. This helps reduce invalid email activity before campaigns are launched. Deliverability monitoring is a core component of the platform. Power Email verifies SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records while monitoring bounce rates and sender reputation. This allows businesses to maintain healthy sending infrastructure and improve inbox placement. The Analytics dashboard provides detailed performance insights across campaigns and email activity. Users can track deliveries, opens, clicks, replies, unsubscribes, and engagement trends in real time. These analytics help organizations optimize outreach performance and improve communication strategy. The automation engine enables users to create custom workflow rules and event-based triggers. Businesses can automate actions based on replies, user behavior, or campaign activity. This reduces repetitive tasks and improves operational efficiency. One of the platform's most advanced features is the AI email agent powered by GPT technology. The AI system assists with smart replies, automated follow-ups, and bulk campaign content generation. This enables faster communication while maintaining professional messaging quality. Power Email integrates with enterprise systems including Microsoft 365, Outlook, and Odoo Enterprise. These integrations allow seamless synchronization of contacts, CRM data, and mailbox operations. This creates a connected communication ecosystem for growing organizations. The Connected Mail Accounts module manages custom sending identities and mailbox configurations. Administrators can securely control SMTP and IMAP connections used for automated outreach and AI-powered communication.